Hello everyone, my name is Mary Jane Salvo, an active participant of MMM Philippines, but presently working here in Kuwait. On November 10, 2015, I provide help worth 1,300 pesos, and I asked to get help today, November 22, 2015, amounting of 1,450 pesos. I am so happy and thankful that I received the full amount, 1,400 pesos in just an hour. Thank you to all participants, especially those who provide my assistance to get help. Thank you also to our founder, Sir Sergi Mabrudi, for this amazing opportunity of providing help and getting help directly to each other. Long live MMM. Together, we can change the world.